the amount of discovery that we've got. District Attorney's Office says, well, we just produced it multiple times and it's the same thing. Are we supposed to just trust them? Are we supposed to just take them at their word? We have a legal, moral, and ethical obligation to review everything they give us.
Well, that was Defense Attorney Joe Spencer outside of the courtroom after today's status hearing for the state's case against the Cielo Vista Walmart shooter. This all while District Attorney Bill Hicks says the prosecution team is ready to set a pretrial date. Thank you for choosing KTSM 9 News at 10. I'm Andy Morgan.
And I'm Monica Cortez. Today's status hearing comes after 6 months after Patrick Crucius was sentenced to 90 consecutive life sentences in prison in federal case against him. Here in the state, of course, they are seeking the death penalty. The big question tonight is the defense and prosecution getting any closer to setting a date trial.
KTSM 9 News reporter Skylar Soto was at today's hearing. She has our top story tonight at 10.
The status hearing Thursday afternoon was for Judge Sam Medrano to hear from the prosecution and the defense to determine where the case is at and where it's headed. Judge Medrano says there will be another status hearing next month where he expects an update from both parties. In a full courtroom, District Attorney Bill Hicks addressed that the only new discovery is a ballistics report, surveillance from businesses, and videos from dash and body camera. The prosecution, which is DA Hicks' office, created a case portal system where they could make all evidence easily accessible. Although the prosecution said in part, quote, "The problem in the case is there's so much shared discovery," end quote. The defense then said in part, quote, "This is an issue of justice versus politics," end quote. The defense showed how an increase of files were submitted by the prosecution from November 2023 to now, and they feel as it's paper sabotage. The defense allegedly claims that the prosecution gave them a disk infected with a virus, adding that the prosecution is disorganized. The defense saying in part, quote, "Who's responsible for delay on this trial? Not the defense's fault," end quote.
It's been my statement from the beginning that we're going to be moving this case forward as best we can, and we have. We've completed all the discovery, so we'll be back in February. I think we communicated to the court well what the situation was, that there's obviously lots of discovery in this case.
We got 7 terabytes of discovery this month, over 4.5 years later. Why does it take 4.5 years for us to get the discovery? That's not our fault. That's not the judge's fault. That's the district attorney's fault. And it's simply because politics plays a role.
The defense team telling reporters outside the courtroom that this is the largest case in the state and one of the largest in the country, and it has to be done right. DA Hicks also said in part, quote, "The defense will never agree to what we want. That's their job. Their job is not to agree with what we want," end quote. Reporting in the El Paso County Courthouse, I'm Skylar Soto, KTSM 9 News.